Merry Christmas, everyone. Going to work, and today I work at Tide's restaurant today. This evening, actually, for New Year's Eve, and they have a special menu, dinner menu for tonight. So I'm gonna be working at the Tides, and it's Christmas Eve. So yeah, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Mixology, and my IG, and then my Facebook page. Hit the like buttons and notification bell button, and you guys notified all the time. All right, cool. And I'm gonna show you the restaurant when I'll be there. Okay, cool. All right. There's Mertz Laundry. You see the building has Mertz name. There's Mertz Laundry actually. So now, come at the window. That is our entrance down there. So it's all good. Right, there we are.
You take picture but you don't give credit nothing to Papa. YouTube channel make money but you know make nothing. See Papa?
It's nice for the vegetarian. There we go. There's Papa Mario down there. Huh? Looks nice, man.
Very nice plate, no?
Huh? Yeah. Nice plating, man. Merry Christmas, Auntie.
I'm gonna keep this one first.
Turkey
Yeah, turkey.
and ham.
Yeah.
Alright.
And meat.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you, bye. You keep this one, bye. Or something else.
Papa, what you're making now?
Amus. Tuna. Tuna.
Huh?
Tuna. Salmon.
Papa is busy today. Ready for dinner.
For Christmas party dinner.
Oh,
Christmas party dinner.
Bye-bye.
portioning, bye.
Sa?
Portion. For order.
Nice. It's turkey. Yan ang balat eh. Crispy eh.
Ha?
Really crispy na balat.
Crispy. Wala na. Mamok na.
Iputang sa kama.
Oh,
I-fried pa.
hindi.
Chicharon. It's turkey. My God. That's for tonight.
So this one Christmas pudding.
Okay, Christmas pudding.
Yes, soon I just sample plating.
With Chef Mokes here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Good, sir.
Yeah.
So tonight,
He's the best specific chef in the island. You know, you can find this guy.
yeah, Tony is only guy who
So-
appreciate me all the time.
So he's really good in what he does. Say, look at this. This is pudding.
This one coral for garnish.
Yeah, coral for garnish.
Yes,
That's
sir.
sugar, right, Chef?
Yeah, it's sugar, flour, and oil.
Oh.
Some berries. Let's see
Yeah.
later.
So,
Berries. One. Maybe many things we have tonight.
all right.
Yes, sir.
All right, Chef.
Okay, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
You too, brother.
Salamat.
Alright.
Yo.
I wish we could have Christmas every day. Don't you? I wish the Christmas spirit could last the whole year through.
So quiet. It's Christmas Day, but it's a quiet day. The road is so quiet. I remember this back home, Christmas Day. The road is so busy. Like lots of car. You go in the shopping mall, same things. Packed. But in the island, this is what you got. So it's another Christmas, and it's Christmas Day actually today. So just done to work, just like going home right now, and some, like busy Christmas. The restaurant today is packed, and the bar is packed. So that's a good things. Anyway, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The on my IG, and then my Facebook page. And Merry Christmas to everyone, to everybody, especially my family, friends, and my subscriber. And thank you so much, guys. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All right, have a good night.